Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sketch tattoos. First, understand that sketch tattoos capture the raw, spontaneous energy of a pencil drawing. They often feature dynamic lines, varied line weights, and deliberate imperfections, giving them a unique, artistic feel. The goal is to create a piece that looks like it was just sketched onto the skin, full of movement and character. This style truly celebrates the artistic process itself. To achieve that authentic sketch look, incorporate a range of line weights, from delicate, fine lines to strong, bold outlines. Employ techniques like hatching and cross-hatching to create shading and texture, mimicking the strokes of a pencil. Don't shy away from intentional mistakes, such as stray lines or smudges. These elements enhance the raw, unfinished aesthetic and add to the tattoo's unique charm. For application, choose your tools wisely. A 3-round liner needle is excellent for creating those delicate, fine lines characteristic of a sketch. Practice varying your hand pressure to achieve different line opacities and textures, just as you would with a pencil. You might also consider a stencil that already incorporates some sketch-like elements, providing a solid foundation for your artistic vision. Once the tattooing is complete, take a moment to review your work. Look for areas that could benefit from additional sketchy details or subtle refinements to enhance the overall aesthetic. Ensure the composition maintains a balanced, yet intentionally unfinished, feel. Finally, remember to follow all standard tattoo aftercare instructions diligently to preserve the art and ensure proper healing of the skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.